Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style, and I hope you all are doing well. And I'm back today with an inspired makeup look from Jasmine Turkers, which she wore in her Cannes festival. She looks so stunning and this fascinates me to recreate her look. If you want to know how I created, then keep on watching. Okay, starting with carving my eyebrow and priming my eyelid with the concealer. The concealer I'm using today is from Maybelline in shade Cafe. I'm going to blend all the concealer evenly with a flat brush. Then next step is I'm going to apply a brown color to my lid. For this I am going to use this brown pencil from Wet n Wild and apply it focusedly on my lip. Then layering up with the same color of eyeshadow, blending with big fluffy brush. Then for transition shade, picking this brown shadow and blending both the brown shadow evenly without leaving any creases. For intensifying my outer edge of eye, I used the darker color from the same palette and also smoking out toward my eyebrow. For highlighting my brow, I'm picking this white color from this same palette and applying it with a flat brush. And this is a hack, I'm going to use it today because I don't have a glitter liner. So I am going to draw a liner with a concealer using a liner brush and then packing up that concealer with a golden glitter with the angular brush or whatever brush you are suitable with to just apply that glitter over it. Next I am creating a wing liner with a gel liner with the help of angular brush. I'm going to smoke this liner with the shader brush or flat brush and also applying it on my lower waterline. I am applying foundation with the damp beauty blender for getting more sheer coverage, and if you want to get more coverage you can apply it with the foundation brush, flat foundation brush or a kabuki brush, whatever way you want you can. All the product I use for the creation of this makeup will be listed down below on my description box. You can check it out from there. You can see that the dark spots is still visible from my foundation. That's okay, it will be covered up when I contour my face and apply bronzer to my face. Thus layering covers up all the acne marks. You don't need to conceal it. For contouring my face I use cream contour because she has a sculpted face look and visible contouring line, so I used a cream contour for this look. The method I use for contouring my face, I applied the contour stick over back of my hand and picking the product with the sponge and slowly building that contouring structure with the beauty blender only. For contouring my nose, I used a brush. For under eye concealer, I used a concealer which has a bluish undertone, and this is from Swiss Beauty in shade 01 to accentuate the same exact look from her. For setting my under eye and concealer, I use this Roxy palette of highlight and contour palette, and using this lighter shade which is close matched to my skin tone. So I applied it as a setting powder. For giving more warmth and structure to my face, using this Roxy highlight and bronzing palette and picking this warm shade and using a big fluffy brush, applying it all over my outer perimeter of my face and also over my contouring also to give more definition and sculpted appearance. For blusher, my universal palette, that is iMagic blush palette, and using the shade pink color from this palette, I am going to apply on my highest point of cheek, not on my apple of cheeks, on my highest point of cheek to give more slim appearance to my face. For lining my lip, I use Swiss Beauty pencil liner in shade dark chocolate. And the lipstick is from Makeup Revolution in shade FLING. And for the highlighter, same Roxy palette with a golden shimmer tone, I applied all my highest point of face. And this is the final look. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you love the makeup look, then please give a moment to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.